Welcome to forextrading.com. Let's see how support and resistance points are working on live chart. What we are looking at is Euro-Dollar 5-minute chart, so I'm going to show you how to place the support resistance. And the rule I'm showing to you is universal, so it works with every time frame, with every different instrument. So we are looking at the chart, starting with the line. We are looking for some level where we are meeting at most important spots, and many times price action level met at the same point. So we are looking, for example, this right here and this point here, and those 3 times almost at the same level, and this green candle met the same point. So I'm leaving the support resistance level at this price right here. So we're gonna look for another one. It is really simple and easy, and it goes more and more with experience to see how those lines are really placing in the chart. You see this, for example, candle meets exactly this point right here, and almost the same spot. If we move it a little bit higher, you see it can be done. We see this place is met with another one right here, and we can look for a few more lines, important ones, to leave them on this chart, and to look for them in the future when something interesting will be happening at price action. You see, for example, this level right here met a couple of times before, and we've met it here as well. So almost the same situation when we met some price level few times at the price chart. So let's look for another one. For example, this one right here met before here, this green candle, and almost the same spot with this red one, and we see the price slow down or met few times this level to stay at this comfort zone for the price action at this moment. So we are looking still at this 5-minute chart, but in a few seconds we're gonna go at 4-hour chart and leave those support resistance at 5-minute chart, and see how the situation works at 4-hour chart. So this line here met support resistance before, and almost the same supports even earlier. So once again, we can try to look for them. You see, this point right here met exactly at this shadow, and we got 1, 2, 3 times met before. Let's see if we got some more at this level. Yes, we got it. Right here met almost the same at this spot, and this candle right here almost the same level. So let's look at the same instrument at 4-hour chart. You see those support resistance are pretty much close in their neighborhood, because they are at 5-minute chart, and right now we're looking at 4-hour chart. But the situation works the same at 4-hour chart when we want to place support resistance. You see this point right here met many hours after, and we can look for more of these points. See those points right here, 1, 2, and the red doji candle before as well. Let's see if we got some support resistance at the lower level. This one right here met this one before. And you see, not all of those points will be really so necessary to show, because if we place too much support resistance, we're gonna get too much noise at our chart. So we are trying to find some interesting shadows and as many points at the same level as we can get. So the best would be to find 3, 4 or more spots when the price met the action met the same price, like here and before. It is a couple of times, but we can make this chart look smaller so we can see more at the same time, and try to look for those real important support resistance like here and after. And let's see how it works from the upside of this chart. If we have some important support resistance, this one right here, where is very important afterwards. So let's look for some more. See, for example, this one wouldn't be the best example of support resistance, even though we should leave it for some far more future, but it is only a one spot. So the one place of price action move significantly higher and leave it there doesn't really tell us anything, especially the price action show us it didn't respect this level, you see, because it was just a one spot. So we are looking for those places where the price action met the same level as many times as possible. Like for example this one, you see right here, met a couple of times and it repeated before, maybe because the price was moving here comfortable and it reached this spot and moved back. That's why we met it the same support resistance later on. Thank you very much for watching this. We're gonna talk more about support resistance and how to place them with more advanced videos and online studies as well. Thank you very much.